Today, we're exploring how to use the law of attraction to manifest love into your life, whether it's a romantic relationship, friendship, or simply deeper connections. The law of attraction works wonders for attracting love when you align your thoughts and energy with the love you wish to experience. Let's dive in. The journey to manifesting love starts with self-love. If you want to attract a loving relationship, you first need to cultivate a strong, loving relationship with yourself. When you practice self-love, you're sending out the message that you are worthy of love, kindness, and respect. And this positive energy naturally attracts similar energy from others. To cultivate self-love, start with daily affirmations like, I am worthy of love and respect. I fully accept and appreciate myself as I am. I radiate love and positive energy. Spend time doing things that make you feel good, whether it's a hobby, journaling, or self-care. Remember, loving yourself sets the tone for how others will love you. Now let's talk about techniques to manifest love through the law of attraction. First, visualization. Each day, take a few minutes to visualize your ideal relationship. Imagine how it feels to be in a loving, supportive partnership or friendship. See yourself enjoying meaningful conversations, feeling safe, and sharing happy moments. Next, try scripting. Write a script as if you're already experiencing the love you desire. For example, journal as though you're already with this person, describing a wonderful day you spent together. Use affirmations to reinforce your belief in finding love. Repeat phrases like, I am attracting a healthy, loving relationship. I am surrounded by love and joy in all my relationships. Act as if. Start embodying the energy you want in a relationship. For example, if you want kindness and support, practice giving those to others. Let's look at some inspiring examples of people who use the law of attraction to manifest love. These stories show that by aligning your energy with love, practicing self-love, and believing in the possibilities, you open the door to meaningful relationships. Manifesting love through the law of attraction is about focusing on self-love, visualizing your desired relationships, and aligning with love through affirmations and positive energy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment with one way you plan to attract more love into your life. Thanks for watching, and may love surround you. And click the link below this video for more help with the law of attraction.